The importance of being legendary in your relationships. What does that mean? What does it mean to have legendary relationships? Well, if we're going to be growing our business, the personal drives the professional, doesn't it? If we're going to get the best out of our teams, out of our most valuable asset, our human capital, we've got to treat our staff, our employees, our prospects, our customers like the incredible people they are to create and deepen incredible relationships. When it comes to growing our business, our customers, here's what we know: engaged customers, people who have a relationship with their customers, not only do they have repeat business, they also get incredible referrals. Let's talk about from an internal customer standpoint. In order for you and I to keep our staff, we have to build a relationship with them. I mean, think about it. The people that you do business with, if you're a leader, if you are a high performer, the people you do business with are people you have strong relationships with. Or you seek out people that are high performers or are going to deliver. And what do? We build relationships with those people. So, this is how we transform our business, our experience from transactional to relational. You see, transactional is just going to be a commodity. It's going to find a way to find the next best thing. When we look at businesses, most people, every study shows that most people leave a business because of a lack of important leadership and growth. They don't leave for a couple of bucks. They leave because the leadership is not valuing them. And by the way, when you are able to show growth opportunities, what are you saying to that person? I value you. I value you so much that I'm willing to give you more opportunities, more responsibility. That is what a legendary relationship looks like, is when we are building it, when we're nurturing it, when people are referring us, when people will go above and beyond. Think about our businesses when we're asking for someone to stay late or add some additional responsibilities. When we've got a strong relationship with them, they will happily do that. And why? What makes that relationship strong? Because we also give into the relationship. What if we were to think of it that way? It's not what I can get from this relationship, it's what I could give. If you want to be legendary, focus on how you can give, how you can add value to your internal and external customers. Now, just remember this: you've got to love them before you can lead them. So when we lead, and leadership in the acronym of legendary, leadership, lead with love is number one. When we come from that place, it is a game changer. And always remember, how you do anything is how you do everything. So when you build your business, you are also building your personal. When you build your professional, you build your personal, because when we recognize the personal drives the professional, it becomes an absolute game changer. So go ahead, be legendary. Talk to you soon.